Hey, what is going on, guys? You have a OnePlus 7 Pro. I'm going to show you how to turn the selfie mirrored photos on and off. So by default, it is mirrored right now, selfie mirrored photo. It is on. I would recommend to leave it on. It's just easier if you leave it on mirrored, okay? And let me give you a quick demonstration here. So if I go ahead and open up the camera here, and it's on selfie here, okay? So exactly how you see this right here, if I take a photo, and it's on mirrored, so it's going to look exactly like this. So if I take a photo, and you can see where my camera is right here, if I tap on that, it's exactly the same as we were seeing in the camera, okay? However, if I go and let me swipe up like that, let me go to settings, and now let me go ahead and turn off the mirrored photo. So if I turn it off, and now if I go back here, now watch, if I take a photo here, it's going to be flipped, okay? So now you can see what it looks like here. You can see, okay? That's what it looked like originally, like this, and it turned to that. So again, I mean, I would recommend, I actually prefer to leave it on mirrored along with all of my other phones. So pretty simple. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.